This is it? No! I'm scared. Real? Yeah, it's real. You're lying. No, I'm not lying. This they convert an elevator into. So this is real? Yeah. Tiene mi maldad. Oh, look. What the heck? Those minions. Is Zendaya. Damn. Yeah, that's the one they use. This is the only bit the whole Hello, hello, hello.
Headed to the top of the Empire State Building, right here in the heart of New York City.
Oh. It's gonna be like super windy as heck. There's heaters up here. Oh, finally.
Dad, I found the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, did you?
Look! It's like right behind the big bus.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Bit of time. Chrysler building on your right. Yep. Spider-Man building over ahead, right there. Osborne house. Straight that way.
Fever tried to cure the sickness,
It's been years.
but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back, so I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, mumbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Go, little rock star. Where are we, William? William, ¿dónde estamos? William, where are we? Central Park. Central Park? New York. This is Central Park, William?
Really?
This is it? Chanel, where are we at?
I don't know, bro. It just looks like dead trees everywhere. Kind of sad.
I thought you were gonna say Central Park. I was waiting for where we at, Arturo.
It just looks like a regular park.
Oh, y'all are killing my video, man. You know what? Like, I'm not only William passed the vibe check
I thought it was
here.
gonna be prettier. It's kind of ugly.
Where's the scene with the bridge from Home Alone and from Elf?
So Chanel, to repeat where we at.
We're in Central Park, but it's kind of ugly, man. I
Alright.
had high expectation.
Kind of disappointed about
Yeah,
this park.
really disappointing.
All right, so we're in the wonderful Central Park. Everybody loves this place. I love it, despite the haters.
We almost got killed by cars in the jaywalk.
Okay, but like running here in the morning, that would be fun.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.